The book of 2 Kings is a continuation of the historical narrative that began with 1 Kings. It covers the period of the divided kingdoms of Israel and Judah, focusing on the reigns of various kings and the events leading up to the fall of both kingdoms. The reigns of various kings. The book begins with the reign of King Ahaziah of Israel and continues to chronicle the reigns of several kings in both the northern kingdom of Israel and the southern kingdom of Judah. These kings are evaluated based on their faithfulness to God's commandments and their role in either perpetuating or attempting to address the idolatry and sin that had plagued both kingdoms. The ministries of prophets. Throughout 2 Kings, various prophets play significant roles in confronting the idolatry and disobedience of the kings and the people. Notable prophets include Elisha, who continues the ministry of Elijah, and Isaiah, who prophesies during the reigns of several kings in Judah. Miracles and signs. The book records numerous miracles and signs performed by the prophets, particularly Elisha, as well as notable events such as the multiplication of the widow's oil, the healing of Naaman's leprosy, and the resurrection of the Shunammite woman's son. The fall of Israel. The northern kingdom of Israel faces a series of invasions and defeats by foreign powers, including the Assyrians. King Hoshea's capture by the Assyrians marks the final fall of Samaria, the capital of Israel, leading to the exile of the Israelite population. The end of the southern kingdom. The southern kingdom of Judah also faces challenges, with some kings embracing idolatry and foreign alliances. The book eventually culminates in the fall of Jerusalem to the Babylonians under King Nebuchadnezzar. The Babylonian captivity begins, and the city and the temple are destroyed. Continuation of hope. Despite the tragedies and judgments faced by both Israel and Judah, the book ends on a note of hope. In the closing chapter, King Jehoiakim is shown mercy in exile, and the book hints at the possibility of restoration in the future. 2 Kings serves as a historical account of the events leading to the exile of the Israelites and the fall of both Israel and Judah. It emphasizes the consequences of disobedience to God's commandments and the role of prophets in calling the people to repentance. The book also underscores the importance of faithfulness to God's covenant and looks ahead to the promise of restoration and redemption.